Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the network environment unstable error in the Eversoul. So our first method is so simple that you have to just open your Play Store or App Store and search here for your Eversoul and check that if it is updated or not. If not, then you have to just update it. And the second method is that you have to just check your internet connection and change the network connection. If you are using the mobile data, then you have to just change it to the Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you are using the Wi-Fi, then you have to just turn it to the mobile data. The next method is to turn on the airplane mode and then again it turn off and then restore your internet connection. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. The next method is that you have to just restart your device. After restarting your device, your problem will be fixed. Moving to the next method, you have to just tap and hold on your Eversoul. Click on the application details. Click on the force stop and then storage and the cache, and then click on the clear cache. In some cases you have to just click on the clear storage as well and then press OK. Doing so, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.